This is something that it's very similar. You can make the text bigger and smaller just by moving the sizer on the side, right? Nothing special. Also, you can add a small stickers that looks like a gift, right? Very interesting, especially if you have like a promotion or a swipe up link. It's cool. Next option is effects. I don't find this too crazy, too helpful, I would say. I just find that the quality of these are not so good. Maybe this one looks okay because it's kind of vintage, right? Then you also have a stickers. On the sticker you can actually not only add all these small celebrations, small notes, but you also have emojis over here underneath. And there is a quick settings on the top where you can actually click emojis. We can click gifs and you can actually search for the gif you're looking for. It's very similar to the actual Instagram Reels. Then the last option, of course, is that you can actually save what you just created. Some people are just creating the actual content here, and they go and they publish the content on TikTok, they publish it on Twitter, right? So you can do so by simply clicking save.